Hi everyone, Dr. Anthony McConnell here, Superintendent of Schools. I hope everybody's having an amazing summer. I'm making a little video here to show you what we've got going on with some of our summer construction projects. So today I'm going to introduce you to a couple of people that are making that happen for us and give you a look inside what's happening at Shepherd and Caruso Middle Schools with the renovation of our cafeteria spaces. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so we're at Shepherd Middle School. I'm going to introduce to you a couple of people. This is Charlie Privet. He's our Director of Buildings and Grounds here in District 109. And this is Tim Ryan. Tim is our Construction Manager with HAP Builders. And HAP and Tim have actually helped us out with a few projects over the last few years, including our libraries and our middle school libraries. So, guys, let's take a look at what we've got going on here at Shepherd.
Sounds good, let's go.
As you can see, they're already expanding the lunchroom and putting up new walls for the new cafeteria here at Caruso Middle School. So they're well underway. A lot of action here today. Let's go in and take a look and see what you got going on. Anytime that you do construction in schools, you only have a couple of months to get as much done as you possibly can, so it's not disruptive to the staff, students, parents. So I really appreciate all your guys' efforts this summer and the coordination that you're doing to make sure these lunchrooms are up and running as soon as we possibly can get them. So Tim, thanks for showing us around today.
Thank you.
And appreciate all your help. Charlie, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, thanks everyone. I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of a quick look. We will come back in about a month from now before school starts and give you a preview as we get a little closer to being finished. Thanks. Have a great rest of your summer.